Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Taylor or Dolly the Rebel here, and what we're going to do today, we're just going to jump right into this tutorial. So I'm taking my P. Louise base in Winter Rose. This is from their winter collection, I believe from like a year or two ago, and what I'm going to do is create a like a wing or cat eye shape to my eye. So we are recreating Cardi's look from the WAP video, and so her makeup artist Erica Pearl, she did more of a, it's like kind of snatched, like it's going upward like a cat eye. So you know, we have ponytails, buns, bangs going on, slick down hairstyles. So of course you do want your makeup to, or your eye look to, give you that lift. So I'm just going ahead and creating that shape, and then I will be using pink eyeshadows. So that's definitely the reason why we're using a pink base. You want those you want that pink eyeshadow or those pink shadows to pop. So I'm just laying down that base, making it as flawless as possible, and to make that shape easier to work with. And now I'm taking the Crayon Cases matte book, and I'm taking that hot pink shade, and I'm just setting that base with that shadow, and I'm going very light-handed. Her makeup artist did make the look very soft, so I didn't want to go too crazy with the pigmentation, so very light-handed, tapping off any excess, blending as much as possible. And I'm going to take this Mcgrath palette. I forgot the name of it. I actually borrowed it from my mom's. I was trying to see if the palette was similar to the one that Erica used on Cardi. So I'm just taking this pink shimmer shade. Of course, everything will be listed in the description box in more detail. I just can't remember everything off the top of my head. So yeah, I'm just patting that into my lid or onto my lid. I did spray it with some Fix Plus, I believe, and I'm just lightly tapping that, and then I'm going to blend that in. And then I also pick up that hot pink shade from the Crayon case just to blend those edges in together. Like I say in every video, you want to make sure you blend, blend, blend. You want everything to be seamless as possible, beautiful. You don't want to be able to see any imperfections. So yeah, that's always our goal, okay? And I'm going to take my Givenchy eyeliner in Disturbia, and with this eyeliner, or with this look I should say, with the eyeliner, I did take it up higher than usual. Just from the angle of the promo photo, it looked like Cardi's and Megan's eyeliner was pretty high, so I made it higher. I think I made mine a little bit thicker than theirs, but that's just typically how I do my eyeliner if I do take it higher. So I do have a lot more lid space, so I wanted to create a balance. And then taking this Mary Kay eyeliner, I am going to line my waterline. I believe I do tight line, but I want to say I do that off camera when I put on my lashes. So for now, we're just going to line our waterline with a black eyeliner. And to clean up that wing liner and make it more precise, not just the wing liner but the shape of that eyeshadow, I'm going to take my favorite makeup wipes by MAC, and these are just their gentle wipes, and I'm going to clean up that pink eyeshadow. And now we're just going into my face. I do have a video more into detail on the products that I use. Here I'm just using the Maybelline matte poreless foundation, and I just use my Real Techniques brushes, and I'm just mixing those two colors and blending that into my skin. I'll link the card above so you guys can check that out as well. And I'm just going to take my Louise eyeshadow base, and this time I'm doing it similar to how I highlight and contour. Again, I will link the card above, but with this look I am cleaning up the outside of the wing, or cleaning around the wing, and also preparing for my highlight brain fart. But yeah, I'm just cleaning up that wing liner and then just highlighting around my face like I normally would do. But of course I do want to focus and make sure I get any excess pink eyeshadow, make sure my wing liner is precise as possible. And just taking that Real Techniques brush, I think this is in 200 or 206, and I'm just blending out my highlighter or my concealer, which is technically your highlight or the high points in my face. But yeah, I'm just blending that out. Again, we do have a video on how I blend this out, tips, tricks, things like that. Make sure you guys check out that video. So lately I have been into cream contour again. So I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Dark Cocoa, and I'm using that to contour my face. So this time I'm actually contouring up instead of down. So up towards my ear instead of down from my ear and around my forehead. And again, I do have a video on this, so make sure you guys check that out. Now taking the Real Techniques brush that I use to apply my foundation, I'm just going over where I did my contour just to blend that out, but also tone down that darkness so everything kind of blends together a little bit better and it's not too harsh. And I'm going to take my Beauty Bakerie flower powder in the color yellow, and I'm just going to set my highlight. I always set my creams with powders, yeah, just so everything doesn't turn out patchy and it lasts longer throughout the day. So I'm just taking a small Real Techniques brush, I forgot the name of this one, and just setting all of the high points of where I highlighted. And going in with my Crayon Case Composition Notebook palette, I am taking the shade Bobby and I'm setting my contour with that dark shade. And then I believe I go in with the shade Ross just to kind of blend those shades a little bit together. And now I'm going to take this Crayon Case pencil brush and I'm taking that same hot pink shade from the matte book and I am putting that underneath my waterline so it can have a little smoke to it but have that little pop of pink and not just black from the eyeliner. And now I'm just going to spray my face with a little bit of setting spray, and this is the one by Morphe. And while my face is still damp, I'm taking this pink, like pink iridescent type of highlighter from the Composition Notebook palette. I think it's Pink Me or something like that. And I'm just using that as my highlighter. And for the lips, I'm going to be using the Good Old Faithful Dark Chocolate Lip Liner by Mary Kay to line my lips. And I'm going to take the Real Techniques. I'm sorry, this is not about Real Techniques. I'm taking this lip brush by Morphe just to blend out that liner. I'm going to take my lip gloss by my brand. Again, this is a sample, and I'm just applying that lip gloss and going back with that lipstick brush or that lip brush and just blending the lip liner and gloss together, making sure it is seamless as possible, blended as possible, so it won't look too crazy or overlined. And yeah, I believe that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all social media. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.